Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Facebook dating after you've deleted it or if it's no longer showing up. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines. If you don't see the dating feature listed in the menu, don't worry. Just use the search bar at the top, type in dating, and when it appears in the results, tap on it. This should take you straight to the Facebook dating section. If that method doesn't work, you may need to refresh the app. To do that, go to your phone settings, then open Apps or Apps and Permissions. From there, tap on App Manager and wait for the list to load. Scroll through and find Facebook, then go into the Storage section. Tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Once you've done that, reopen the Facebook app and try searching for the dating feature again. It should now be visible and working. That's how you reactivate Facebook dating after deleting it. Thanks for watching.